Have you ever pulled a baking dish out of the oven only to discover stubborn stains, lingering food odors, or cracked cookware after just a few uses? If you're cooking regularly, finding bakeware that's durable enough for everyday meals while still looking good enough to serve at the table can be surprisingly difficult. Today we're taking a closer look at the Moss & Stone 6-piece clear glass casserole dish set with lids, a versatile borosilicate glass bakeware collection designed for home cooks, meal preppers, and families who want one reliable set for baking, serving, storing, and reheating food. Instead of juggling multiple containers, this set aims to simplify your entire cooking routine. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is the clean, timeless design. Because the dishes are made from clear borosilicate glass, they look elegant enough to go straight from the oven to the dining table without needing a serving platter. The transparent sides also make it easy to check on your food while it's baking, so you don't have to constantly open the oven door to see how things are cooking. That small convenience helps maintain cooking temperature and can make recipes a little more consistent. The build quality also inspires confidence. The glass feels thick and solid without becoming excessively heavy, and the ergonomic side handles provide a secure grip when moving hot dishes. Unlike some cheaper glass bakeware that can develop permanent stains or absorb food odors over time, the non-porous borosilicate glass stays looking fresh even after baking tomato sauces, casseroles, or cheesy pasta dishes. It's the kind of material that continues looking good after repeated use instead of gradually becoming discolored. One feature that's especially practical is the variety of sizes included in the set. Whether you're baking a small side dish, preparing dinner for two, or serving a larger family meal, having 3 different casserole sizes gives you flexibility without filling your cabinets with dozens of separate baking dishes. Even better, the dishes nest neatly inside one another, making storage much easier than you might expect. In everyday cooking, these casserole dishes perform exactly as you'd hope. They transition smoothly between the refrigerator, oven, microwave, and dishwasher, eliminating the need to transfer food between containers. You can prepare a meal ahead of time, refrigerate it, bake it later, and even store leftovers in the same dish afterward. That convenience reduces cleanup while making meal prep far less stressful throughout the week. Cleaning is another area where this set performs well. Since the glass naturally resists stains and odors, most food residue washes away easily. Even baked-on sauces tend to clean up without much effort, and being dishwasher safe makes the entire process even more convenient after busy family dinners or holiday meals. Of course, there are a couple of limitations worth mentioning. Although the included glass lids are excellent for food storage, they aren't airtight or leak-proof, so they're better suited for refrigerator storage than transporting soups or liquids. It's also important to avoid sudden temperature changes and broiler use, since even durable borosilicate glass benefits from gradual heating and cooling. Compared with similarly priced bakeware from brands like Pyrex or Hocking, the Moss & Stone set offers impressive value thanks to its nesting design, elegant appearance, versatile sizing, and durable borosilicate construction. While premium brands may offer slightly more accessory options, this set covers nearly everything most home cooks need for everyday baking and food storage. Overall, the Moss & Stone 6-piece glass casserole dish set is an excellent choice for families, meal preppers, beginner cooks, and anyone looking to replace old metal or plastic bakeware with something healthier and more versatile. If you frequently transport food to parties or need leak-proof containers, you'll probably want additional storage options. But for baking, serving, storing, and reheating meals at home, this set delivers dependable everyday performance and long-term value. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest kitchen product reviews every week. And if you're ready to upgrade your bakeware with a durable glass casserole set, be sure to check the link in the description for the latest price and availability before any current offers end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.